We're tracking another foggy start in some spots here, especially again along and north of the interstate, but that should burn off here by about 9 and 10 o'clock. As we get into this afternoon, and then after that, we're going to start to heat things back up into the upper 80s here, and you factor in a lot of this humidity across mid-Missouri. It's going to feel like those middle 90s. So again, you want to plan accordingly if you're maybe helping some folks move in on the University of Missouri's campus later on this afternoon. It's going to be another hot one, but some of that hot, that humid weather again means we can't rule out storm chances. The latest look at future tracks keeping a lot of this activity fairly isolated in nature. That's what we do think, and it looks like a lot of this is going to stay east of Highway 63 as we get into this afternoon and evening. I think down toward the Boot Hill is going to be our better bet at picking up any of those stray storms later on this afternoon. A little better coverage down in southeast Missouri. Back here into mid-Missouri, looks like it's going to be fairly isolated. But if you do get caught underneath it, it's at least going to knock off some of that heat. Can't do a whole lot about the humidity, though, over these next couple of days, all the way through this weekend. We'll be tracking some pretty muggy conditions. But again, if we do get caught underneath any of these storm chances, that may help things out. Looking at that dog park forecast, in terms of that heat and humidity, it's going to keep us in the upper 80s here. Some of that kind of leftover cloud cover going through these next couple of days. That's about our only saving grace, keeping us out of the 90s, but we can improve things, and we're going to do so, it looks like, pretty dramatically. Notice what happens here as we head into Saturday and Sunday. We're tracking some upper-level high pressure here that's going to start to build back over the Four Corners region, and you notice that seesaw kind of starts tilting back our direction. That turns those winds out of the northwest, and that'll start funneling in some of that cooler and drier air, thanks in large part to this pretty strong trough of low pressure back toward the Great Lakes. So again, things shaping up a lot better as we look a little further ahead, a little further down the line by Monday and Tuesday of next week. Looking at that ABC 17 Storm Track 7-day forecast. Until then, though, looks like we're going to be tracking some hot, humid weather as we head into these next couple of days, about where we should be this time of year. Nothing out of hand, nothing we can't handle as we head all the way through Sunday, but it'll be nice and cool, though, as we head into Monday and Tuesday of next week.